Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic time. Today we're going to be reviewing new expert advisor, so stay chill and grab a coffee if it is morning time. The EA is called Advanced Gold Trading. This EA, the style a trade on the gold as day trader or scalper, cause usually when trades that are holding from 1 hour to 5 hour, we can define them as a day trader or scalper. So the pair, as it is appear from name, a trade on gold only. Time frame, there are 3 or 4 time frame you can use it, but the recommended one is 1 hour. Any low spread broker, I usually recommend Fusion Broker. Minimum deposit $100, but if you have two, maybe 300, I think for any expert advisor, so you can see some intangible profit, I recommend $300, especially for the gold, because the lot size is different from forex pair. So you can see the advanced gold trading. It is currently we have 121 purchase. The EA is trending. We have 5 star. The version is 4.2, and a trade on the trend. So it is trend friendly EA. Whenever there is a up trend, for example, it will trade a buy. So it might be a pullback strategy, or it might be price action, whatever, but we know it is trend friendly. It will not trade against the trade. So that's the main idea. And for news filter, the EA does use news filter to stop the EA before the high impact news. Smart time filter, you can, for example, when there is a holiday or sometime there is gap and rising, this also is a filter for this EA. Scalping mode, there is, I don't really know about this, but I believe what it stopped the EA in some cases. Probably it is a good to enable this feature. The installation is quite easy. We have to enter this URL in the allowing web request, and also the time frame, I believe it is 1 hour for ZO ESD or gold. Minimum deposit is $100, but recommended deposit is 500. If you have 300, I think you will be okay. Even if you have 100, it's going to be a bit risky, but I always recommend that you have enough deposits so you won't get, whenever there is a stop loss, you won't be any issue or any problem. For the backtest, you can see here we have a live backtest from this creator of the EA, and you can see the 99% tick. The drawdown has been only 9%, which I believe, we're going to see the live result, we're going to analyze them. And for review the EA, you can see we have many positive review for this expert. We have comment and etc. The price is $399. You can purchase it from us for only $35. That will save you up almost 300 and I think $45, something like that. You're gonna save that money up for you. And the live trade, the most important factor, I see the gain relationship proposal to the maximum drawdown. It has been 27%, which is, it is not that high, but we can consider it as a normal risk. It is not also low risk. The gain has been quite impressive, 145%. We can see the initial deposit $1,000. He got profit of $1,499. We have the liability, I don't know why it is 2, but algorithmic trading 100%. The profit factor win rate is 87%, quite impressive. Losing trade is only 30%, and he is using a live broker 1 to 500 percentage leverage. So let me show you the monthly result. You can see it has been trading from the February of this year, and the results were quite impressive. 33 at peak, profit 21, 10, 12. We can see the average is heading from 10 to 50% of the profit, and the drawdown is, you can expect to be 27% with this profit, but yet it is quite impressive. The important thing I always focus is average holding time. It is only 3 hours in this case. So I think this EA does not hold trade over week or overnight. It only closes between 1 to 3 hours, which is quite impressive. We can see the equity, you can see it grow, and it happened over the time, but here it has been some drawdown. I believe this probably due to the price reflection or inversion. You can see the peak has been 27%. On average, we can see the drawdown is 10%, but you might expect that it could go higher. So I always recommend that whenever you try an expert advisor, first at least give it 1 month on demo, and then transfer it into a live account. Use money that you don't really need it that much, because you have to diversify your investment into several EAs. If one EA fail you, the other one will continue make you profit. So that is always my main strategy. The trading history, you can see the EA claim that he does not use any martingale or grid, so this is quite impressive. You can see take profit, it hit the stop loss, training stop loss. I believe this why we have this low profit. So the EA is healthy, we can see. For the statistic, at 1490 trade, the percentage, we can see that 87 is win rate and only 12% is losing trade. So this is quite good indicator that this EA can make money consistently, but you have to be careful. The drawdown is 27%. So for example, to reduce this amount, I think you can make it up to 20, but also your profit maybe will be 5 to 10%. But at the end of the day, there is no gain without a risk. So you can see the win rate is better than the losing trade. The ratio, for example, here is 1 up to 3. I think that's how we can calculate if we are using numbers. And the recovery factor is quite it is a speedy recovery factor, 8.42. that is also impressive. You can see the description, he's using aggressive 1 hour, and also we have some reviews for this EA. Many are saying this is quite profitable because the gold is hard commodity to consistently make profit from it. So let us see it on the MT4. Now you can see the EA I already loaded, but I will show you again. Advanced gold trading 1 hour. First you can see we have all the set file. The load for the set file, let me show you. Here we have 1 hour, 5 minutes, but I think I'm gonna stick up with 1 hour. This is 5 minutes, but these two are, I believe, 1 hour set file, and you can let every setting on the default and click on OK. Here you can see the dashboard, the allow for hour trading. That means it will be trading whenever there is a market condition. Let's say what happened to the high impact. If there is news, it will stop trading, which is very important factor for this EA and improvement. Here you can see the broker, the profit, the minimum balance, and everything information. This is it means smiley face, the EA is on. And one important thing for this EA, we have to enter this URL so it gather data and information from this source for news, of course. And basically that's the EA. For my review, I think I'm gonna give it 4 star this time because of the drawdown. Otherwise, it is amazing EA. If you want to test it for yourself, you can purchase it via the link in the description. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.